Okay, question 7, the last question of this paper, so let's get into it. Musical instruments are used to play notes which have different frequencies. Each note has its own frequency, measured in hertz. The frequency of 13 consecutive notes on a piano can be modelled by the function f of n, where n takes an integer value from 0 to 12. The frequencies of these notes are shown in the graph below, and the frequency of note 0 is given by f of 0 equals 262, which basically means when f is 0, it's 262 hertz. Okay, here's the function defined as f of n equals 262 e to the qn, where q is a constant, so that's an unknown. Now state whether q is positive or negative. Well, q is positive, and the reason why is the graph has an increasing positive gradient. Okay, now if you were to put a negative in there, that means that it would be the power would make it 1 over, and then as q would get big, that would make the gradient smaller or negative, and would have that decreasing. I put some negative values into the calculator and worked out what the outcomes would be, and that's what I'd suggest you did. Like, say if q equaled 5, what would happen at n equals 5? And then if q is negative 5, what would happen at n equals 5? Again, compare the two if you want to. But if you've got that knowledge, that positive value will make it a positive increasing gradient, then well done. Okay, part B, the frequency of note 12 is double the frequency of note 0. So note 0, we know, was 262, which means that if I double it, 262 times 2, 524 is going to equal, back to my formula, 262 e to the q 12, or 12q. Okay, we can start to solve this now. It wants us to work out what q is. So we divide throughout by 262, which gives us, funnily enough, 2. Then if we apply the natural log to both sides, that's going to get rid of the exponential element. So 2 will equal 12q. The natural log of 2 will equal 12q. So ln 2 over 12 equals q. And then we run that through our calculator. ln 2 is a small number, divided by 12 makes it even smaller. So 0.05776226505. The question wants it to 2 decimal places, which means that our answer will be 0.06. Okay, that's the last question. That's question 7 done. Done a lot of recording today. Hopefully it's useful. Please share the channel with people. Please watch the videos. Please like the videos. Kind positive comments are always welcome. And hopefully I'll see you in some future past papers. Good luck for your exams. This is Maths with Lloydie, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.